So in this video I'm gonna complete the random forest classifier, and what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to import random forest from sklearn. So from sklearn.ensemble. And guys, if you want to understand everything like what are decision trees, what is uh, random forest, I have already made previous videos, and decision trees I have implemented them from scratch, but I am not implementing random forest, and I have also explained the reason for that from in my previous videos. So if you want to understand all of this, then you should go and check out the playlist of every algorithm. Like I have created algorithm on decision tree, playlist on decision trees. I have created playlist on logistic regression, linear regression, multivariate regression, and much more. So if you want to understand anything, then you should go out and check each and every other videos, because uh, my code will be used in most of those videos. So you will understand a better, you will get a better idea. So now from sklearn.ensemble import, and let me zoom it a little bit. Import random forest classifier. Okay, now it is just showing a warning that this method has been deprecated, but we do not have to worry about it. Now let's take random forest equal to random forest classifier. In this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make n estimators. I'm going to use n estimators as 10. I'm going to tell you what is this. Estimators equal to 10. So random forest classifier, let's see what this is. Okay, so the default estimator is 10, and if you'll see, it is going to tell you that number of trees in the forest. So if you want to make like 10 decision trees, then you have to give 10, and it is up to you. It is a hyperparameter, so you can increase or decrease it to see the accuracy of your output. Okay, so now I'm not gonna use the Gini index, although Gini index is better and it is default, but just right now I'm gonna use the criteria as entropy. So criteria as entropy, and I am also gonna set the max depth to 5, because what I'm doing here is I'm doing pre-pruning, because I do not want to overfit my data. So I think this should be good now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this line, and what I need to do is rf.fit. This is my x data and this is my y data, so this is going to train our random forest. Okay, so it is trained now, and if you will see rf.score, and I have to give this again rf.score. So it is giving 83% accuracy, okay, on the training set. So we can see that, okay, it has not what do you say, it has not overfit. Now this is the accuracy on the training set. Let's check the accuracy on the test set. So in the test data we have our test set, and this is the x test data and this is the y test data. So let's see, and it is for test data also we have the accuracy of 83.58%, and that is pretty good accuracy. Without the random forest, what we were getting 79% accuracy. So random forest is better than that, and even if you like make some changes with this now, then it can also make some better results. And right now I think we have only 500 values or 500 data. So let me just check this df dot shape. So we have 891 examples. So this the number of examples is also low, but 83% accuracy is a good accuracy. So I hope that you understand the concepts of random forest and how you can make the random forest in sklearn. You should know the basic understanding behind how every algorithm is working, but if you understand that clearly, then you do not have to worry, make that algorithm every time from scratch. You can just use these libraries, and that's why these libraries are here for, so that we do not have to write the same code again and again. So in just 2 and 3 lines you can get the accuracy from your output, okay, from your data. So this was it for this video, and I'll see you next time.